Let's ride. Donald McDonald Campground is a small county campground located in Sebastian, Florida. It has 31 sites on 37 acres, and only 5 sites have water and electric hookups for RVs. The campground is surrounded by lush vegetation and access to a natural river with an abundance of wildlife.
Well, this must be Sebastian River. Let's check it out. We're in a little campground just outside of Sebastian, Florida. A lot of mangroves over there. It's pretty. I see some more water on the other side.
The St. Sebastian River is one of the few remaining coastal rivers in East Florida which has not been heavily developed. It is home to a wide variety of wildlife, including several endangered species: eagles, otters, dolphins, wood storks, alligators, and several kinds of wading birds can be observed along the river.
Nice quiet area. Concrete picnic table. You got a pretty good sized trailer there if you want. Looks like they have some facilities over there. Little boardwalk out there. Little fishing pier, I'm sure. Campsite number 14, so they have quite a few spots here. A little hiking.
There's a hiking trail.
Squirrels eating their food. Okay, for all you campers out there, you already know this, but for any other people, don't leave your food unattended on a table. That was cool. I like it. Let's see what else we got down here. Now let's check out this park. GoPro batteries are about to die, so let's see if we can fill it up and check it out. Nice park. Well maintained. Very nice boat launch. And those of you keeping track, it looks like it's going to rain. The wind's picked up quite a bit.